Fresh air. Whew. I love this. Hey, did you want one? Well, I usually don't smoke. I'm what you call a social smoker. You know? Well, that is right. You're not smoking, so why should I? Well, it's because I'm socializing with you. Duh. You know what? You do have a good point. I might be addicted to cigarettes after all. It just relaxes me. Well, I'm supposed to be meeting up with friends here. You see, we got lost at the club, and we're just trying to gather up afterwards and maybe get a snack. Yeah, there's a club around the corner. I believe it's called Omnia or something. I'm not really sure. Anyways, what are you doing here alone? You came with friends? Oh, looks like we're both lost. Maybe we can look for our friends together. Maybe we can introduce them to one another. Make a little match. Wouldn't that be cool? Sure. My squad consists of a bunch of people in bucket hats, and they're always dancing, and they look like they're headless chickens. Let's see. Let's take a look around. Alright, so let's check my pockets. Maybe they called me earlier. So, we have a lighter. We have some gum. Gotta be fresh. We have some cigarettes. Gotta be fly. We have some keys. Gotta have a roof over my head. And, oh, you weren't supposed to see this. I'm a little embarrassed, but I do like to use protection, and you never know when you're gonna need it. It's kind of like how some girls will carry around mace or pepper spray. Guys carry this around in case we just get lucky. Who knows? So, the one thing I'm missing here, I'm supposed to have a wallet. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Maybe it dropped out at the club. Or maybe someone grabbed it. There was a lot of grabbing going on back there. Well, you don't know that. Were you in the club? If you were, I would have grabbed you, but... Okay, well, hopefully one of my friends found it. Here we go. I just received a text from my buddy. He said that he has my wallet. Okay, great. I mean, here's the thing. I'm very, very liberal when it comes to buying others drinks, so I don't really want to blow it all in one day, you know? So, well, anyways, at the end of the day, what I am trying to say is that I'm very responsible with my money, right? I gave it to my friend to keep it safe from my very addictive nature. You see, I didn't want to spend a fortune on drinks today, so I'm just a very good, moral guy. Okay, how about this? Okay, tell me if this is a smart thing to do or just a dumb, whimsical thought that popped into my head, okay? How about I go back in the club and you come along with me? I'm sure that's where your friends are. They seem like the partying kind. And once we find their friends, I can ditch them again. We can both ditch our friends. I'll buy you a drink with the wallet that I get. And we can find a corner of the club to talk. Maybe somewhere quiet, outside on a balcony. What do you think? Oh, really? That's so good. You made a fantastic choice, trust me. Let's go through the entrance of this fancier one. Oh, yes. It's for VIP club member holders only. That also means that they have any drink you want. So order to your heart's content. Did you get your drink order in? Great. Now follow me around the corner. This club is a really big pit, and my booth looks over the whole thing. So naturally, you get to experience all the action without having to actually be in it. And if, in case you can't hear me, or you want a more quiet time, we can just close the blinds, lower the curtains, set the mood. See, they even have candles and everything for us. Well, now that we're settled in, do you want to divulge to me why you were staring at me outside when it was just the two of us with those lovely eyes of yours? You were just yearning for me, weren't you? I know that look when I recognize it. It's one of the best times of my life. How about this? Let's just get straight to the point. Go ahead, sit down, listen to my directions, and enjoy the rest of our night together. Well, yes, baby. You make me feel so good. I want you to keep doing that. Here, put your hands on my chest. Let's keep going deeper and deeper. Yes, I really like that. Baby, don't worry about that. You're perfect. So perfect, just the way you are. And the way you smile. And the way you make me feel. Just makes me want to catch a grenade for you. If I had to. Obviously, I'm not going to do it, just for fun. I do love you that much. Don't worry, baby. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. After I'm finished with you, I will make sure there is no ingredients left inside you to make a baby. And if there is, I'm going to find something to feed you so that there won't be any. Well, if you really, really want one, maybe we can discuss it later. But for now, I don't think you deserve my baby yet. Oh, what? You're still here? Okay. I thought I kicked you out. Anyways, it was so good that I fell asleep. I swear, baby. Wait. Before you go, can you go ahead and like and subscribe this video? I really need it. Oh almost more than life itself. I mean, why else? I mean, I enjoy making this, but getting like and subscribes is also pretty cool. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.